Well, my name is Greg Dahl. I'm the founder of Dahl Corp, which we have two companies underneath that umbrella, which is Fusion Flatworks, which is all of these finished products here, and then Orion, which is raw wood sales. So a moisture meter is crucial in what we do because we pour epoxy, and if there's any kind of humidity to a certain level, epoxy doesn't work. It foams up, it doesn't adhere, does a lot of bad things. Not only that, it wastes a lot of money. So the moisture meter that we use is Orion. We have the 950, and I love this thing because I can dial in whatever species I'm monitoring. And so when it reads under 10%, I know that I can pour my epoxy. We like to get it down to 6%, but 10% is acceptable. So, and another thing that I love about this is I can read the moisture meter through the epoxy finish. That's valuable because we just acquired some wood from China, which is African Babinga, and it already had a coating on it. And we were getting ready to sell these pieces, but come and see the moisture content in them. So I'm setting it to African Babinga, which is 74.74. And, oops. And it's reading 32%. Now, if I were to sell this piece as is, because it looks finished, I got it like this from China. If I were to sell this piece, I would have been buying it back 2 years later because it would warp, it would move, the moisture is trying to escape. And so this thing saved me thousands and thousands of dollars just by seeing that number right there. Also, I've got another African Babinga piece, which is right here, and it's at 22%. So still, I can't sell it. So it's really crucial to know the moisture content in your wood. This is redwood burl, and I can tell you, and let's set this up for the moisture content on this. And I have it set up for reading at 3/4 of an inch below the surface. Redwood is at 40.42, so that's 10.5. It's a little bit higher, but that's acceptable. And here's some more redwood right here. That's at 12%. So it's sitting in our showroom just waiting to come down a few more points. And let's try this big beast. It's at 13. We lifetime warranty each one of our products. And if we sell something that's not up to par, you really can't stay in business. First of all, people are gonna talk, whether it be good or whether it be bad. We can't let a piece of that go, and along with our reputation. Our reputation is above all else the best. We strive to be the best in the world. We purchase wood that has this wow factor to it. But also, when we send pieces out, we want to make sure that 300 years down the road, it's going to look just as beautiful as the day that we created it. They collect our stuff as functional artwork. And so they're investing a lot of money, and we stand behind everything that we produce. So we have to make sure that everything goes out above our standards. I love the meter because it's accurate. This meter reads 4%. I know for sure that it's at 4%. Most other meters, anything under 6% is not accurate, and you don't know where it is registering from. But this one is registering. I have it set, like I said, 3/4 of an inch down. I don't want to know where the surface moisture is. I want to get down far into the wood.